All right, this is the optional vector addition, but it's not optional to you. I want to see this in your report. What I've got is I've got 200 grams at 45 degrees. It's off a little bit. Let me adjust that. 200 at 45, 200 at 135. This is your 200 at 135. So it's obvious that these two are going to resolve to a vector in this direction. So the equilibrant, I've already set this at 270. The equilibrant is going to be in this direction, and we should be able to figure it out. The sine and cosine of 45 degrees is 0.707, and the so 200 times 0.707 should be about 140. So 140, you've got 140 and 140, so we should expect about 280 to go in that direction. Now, what about the other 140 for the x components? Well, you've got 140 in this direction and 140 in this direction, and they cancel out. They're their own equilibrants, if you want. And so we're going to need about 100 and not 100, 200 and what did I say? About 280. So let's put 200. That's 250. Let's see, and of course that's not enough. Let's see, if I put a 50, that's probably too much. That's 300, even though it might look like it balances. It balances. Let's make it 280. So let's take a 20 and a 10. Where's my 20? There's a 20 and a 10. There's 280. And let's see, that pretty much floats. That's a good balance. So we've got 200 at 45, 200 at 135, and the equilibrant is about 280 at 270. And that's the last vector addition that we're going to do.